Aloha, I'm Chef Michi. Welcome to KTA's Quick and Ono recipes. Today I'm going to show you how to make no-bake energy balls. Prepare a rimmed baking sheet with parchment paper, wax paper, or foil. If using foil, apply cooking spray. In a medium bowl, combine the oats, pecans, cranberries, flaxseed, brown sugar, and salt. Add the almond butter and syrups, or syrup and molasses if using. Wet your hands. Use your hands to combine thoroughly. Using a tablespoon or small ice cream scoop, measure out a portion and roll into balls. Place balls onto prepared sheet pan and freeze for 30 minutes to set. Store in refrigerator for up to a week. This is the perfect energy snack to add to your kids' lunches. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.